Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to turn my plain and boring phone case into something gorgeous. I already measured and cutted the paper according to the phone case size. First I'm outlining the waves and mixing a cerulean blue white with a medium sized flat brush and applying it on the top corner. Next I'm mixing a red, white and a touch of cerulean blue and painting next to the blue and blending it. To achieve a smooth blending, just go back and forth with the brushes and blend slowly. Don't put too much pressure onto the brush and don't wash the brush until you blended it completely. Then I am taking a light pinkish shade and blending it with the previous layer. Finally, I am mixing orange and white and blending it with the yellow. Once you are happy with the sky part, let's move on to paint the sea. I am mixing a light bluish shade for the base color and covering the lower part except for the sand. In the middle, I am leaving some space to paint the large waves. I will paint it later on, guys. Then I am taking a damp flat brush and mixing orange and white, wiping the brush in a paper towel to remove the excess paint off and dry brushing it in the center to give a look of sunset on the beach. To paint the waves, I am mixing Prussian blue, bit of black and white. I am painting the waves tiny in the background and gradually increasing its size to the foreground, guys, to make it look natural. Here I am using a small sized round brush to paint the waves. After painting those tiny waves, I am diluting the blue shade and just glaze over the corner to give some depth to the painting. For the sand part, I am mixing burnt umber, orange and bit of white. To give the look of sun hitting on the shore, I am painting yellow near the shore and dry brushing some light orange shade around the yellow color. Then I am dry brushing light pink around the shore and slightly blending it with the orange color to give you a sort of pinkish sunset. In the bottom it looks too much pink, so I am going over with light bluish shade which I used previously for the base color to the sea. Add a little more white and blue to the previous mix and paint the waves to give some volume and depth to the waves. To make your painting look good and natural, you should paint layers and layers of different colors to give that depth to the painting. Now the sea part is done, let's move on to paint the clouds. I am painting a white dot to indicate sun And with the orange shade, I am painting some clouds around the sun. Then I am mixing a dark purplish shade to paint some clouds where the sunlight doesn't reach. To paint the clouds easily, use a filbert or round brush and paint in circular motion. Then I am taking a pinky shade and painting right below the dark purple clouds. Now let's move on to paint the coconut tree by mixing some black and orange paint. Here I am using a small size round brush to paint it. Now let's remove the tape, guys. Always stapling is the most satisfying part in the whole process. As a final step, I mix chrome yellow and white and painting a small dots and hyphen right down the sun to make the sea glow. That's it, guys. The painting process is done. Now let's varnish this painting. I am using a Little Birdie matte varnish for this and I am using a clean flat brush. Varnishing helps to prevent the dust sticking to the painting. It completely seals the painting so the colors doesn't fade over the time and it don't stick to any surface as well. I am cutting this paper according to the phone case size. Now it's perfectly fitting to this transparent phone case. If you want me to create any tutorial videos in the future, just let me know in the comments, guys. I will try to make it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you soon in the next one. Until then, bye bye.